deviled eggs recipes. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Deviled egg potato salad. Ingredients: 3.5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces, 6 large hard-boiled eggs, half a cup of chopped dill pickles, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cracked pepper, sweet paprika for garnish. Instructions: add the potatoes to a large pot and cover with cold water. Bring potatoes to a boil over high heat and cook until fork tender about 13 minutes. Drain potatoes well and set aside. Slice the eggs in half and place the yolks in a small bowl. Chop the whites and add to the potatoes along with the pickles. Add the mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, dill, salt and pepper to the egg yolks and mash together with a fork until mostly smooth. Pour the yolk mixture over the potatoes and stir well to combine. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld and the salad to get cold. Sprinkle with paprika before serving. Number 2. Horseradish deviled eggs. Ingredients: 6 hard-boiled eggs, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of prepared horseradish, 1 teaspoon of prepared yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of fresh dill, half a teaspoon of salt, paprika for garnish. Instructions: slice the eggs in half lengthwise and pop the yolks out in a small bowl. Set the egg whites aside. Add the mayonnaise, horseradish, mustard, dill, and salt to the yolks and use a fork to mash the mixture until smooth and creamy. Taste and add additional horseradish or salt if desired. Spoon or pipe the filling into the egg whites. Sprinkle with paprika before serving. Number 3. Instant pot hard-boiled eggs. Ingredients: 1 cup of water and 6 large or extra large eggs, or as many as you want or can fit in 1 layer on the steam rack without stacking eggs. Instructions: insert steam rack into the bottom of the Instant Pot. Pour 1 cup of water in the bottom of the stainless bowl. Place your desired number of eggs on top of the steam rack. Close and lock the lid and make sure the vent on top is closed. Plug in the machine, power on, and press the manual button. Adjust time to either 5, 6, or 7 minutes on the display with the dash button. The time will depend on the altitude and size of the egg. Test a small batch, 1 to 2 eggs, on the shortest time, and then adjust timing for future batches if desired. Let cook. Once finished, turn the vent quick release valve to the open position until you no longer hear or see steam and the float valve is down. Open the lid. Transfer eggs to a water bath until cool enough to crack open and eat. To store, completely cool the cooked eggs in an ice water bath before storing in the refrigerator for up to a week. To reheat in the microwave, peel the egg, poke several times all over with a fork, and heat for 30 or more seconds until warm. Number 4. Mama's deviled eggs. Ingredients: 12 large eggs, half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 6 slices of bacon, 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. How to make Mama's deviled eggs. Boil eggs, cool, and peel. Split eggs lengthwise and put the egg yolks in a separate bowl. Place egg whites on serving dish and set aside. Mash the egg yolks with a fork in a large bowl. Mince onions so they are very small pieces. Fry bacon so it is extra crispy. Drain off the excess grease and set aside to cool. Crush bacon. Add onions and bacon to egg yolks and stir well. Add the wet and dry ingredients to egg mixture and mix well. Taste to see if enough salt is easier to add some than to take away. 2 ways to stuff the egg whites: straight from the bowl with a spoon, or you can transfer the egg mixture to a Ziploc bag, cut off the tip, and pipe it into the egg whites. Either way, once filled, place into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to chill before serving.